Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is turn. Here's a picture of a pancake turning. Here is turn in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Turn means cause to move in a circular direction wholly or partly around a point, or flip over. Turn. Past progressive was turning, past turned. Present progressive, turning, present, turn. Future will turn. Let's build a sentence. The driver turned. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. The driver turned. What? What did the driver turn? The driver turned the taxi. Let's build a sentence. The driver turned the taxi. Where? Where did they turn? The driver turned the taxi at the corner. Let's build a sentence. The driver turned the taxi at the corner? Which corner? At the corner of West Street. Oh, okay. Let's build a sentence. The driver turned the taxi at the corner of West Street. Why? Why did they turn there? To take the woman home. Oh, so there's a woman riding a taxi. Let's build a sentence. The driver turned the taxi at the corner of West Street to take the woman home. How? How is she going home? To take the woman home from work. She was at work. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.